If you're serious about becoming the kind of person who achieves the goals that you talk about, this question will change the game for you. What am I doing today that aligns with the future that I actually want? This is one of the most high impact mindset tools that we use with top performers, and it comes directly out of the playbook of positive psychology and peak performance coaching. So let's break it down. Most people set goals, but very few people take time to align their actions to their intentions daily. Alignment is greater than intention. You can intend to grow your business, you can intend to lead better, but if your actions today don't reflect that intention, it's just wishful thinking. So if we break it down, let me give you this beautiful writing here. So you have your vision. People are decent at setting their vision. After that vision, you must create aligned action. So you have your vision, you create this aligned action, which then in turn gives you this compounded progress. This isn't about pressure, it's about presence. So I want you to ask yourself, is what I'm doing today helping me become the leader, parent, or professional I say I want to be? And is how I'm spending my time matching what I say matters most? Here's how I use this with coaching clients. I'll have them write down the future goal, could be grow to 7 figures, build a top tier team, or just become a more present leader. Now, obviously that stuff needs to get drilled down a little bit more, but then I ask, show me how today's actions are votes for your future self. Because you got to remember, your habits are votes for your future identity. That's how alignment builds momentum. It turns goals from wishable to inevitable. So here is your challenge. Take 30 seconds every morning and ask yourself this question. What am I doing today that aligns with the future that I say that I want? One question, big clarity. Let me know in the comments what came up for you, and subscribe if you want more mindset tools that actually move the needle.